ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hello, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 4th day of June. Summertime in Alabama. The heat cranks up, and it looks like the chance of rain will stay quite small for a while. Let's go right to some shots early this morning. And we are looking right up the Tom Bigby, looking north from the Demopolis Civic Center. A little light of day at 5 o'clock, and the sky is clear. Pretty much the same scene there from Walker County. That's the view of the Walker County Courthouse coming from the King Building. And let's look down the Alabama River from the Skycam in Dallas County at Selma. Clear sky there. Water vapor satellite imagery, familiar sight there, ridging across the deep south. Thunderstorm activity north of Alabama. A few cirrus clouds down in here, but looks like all of the action will stay up north. This morning, got a tornado watch until 9 o'clock for parts of Kentucky and Illinois. And again, those will die out long before reaching us. Convective outlook today, most of the action from the plains of Colorado to Chesapeake Bay. A slight risk for places like Omaha, Des Moines, Chicago, Indianapolis, Louisville, Parkersburg, Washington, D.C., and Baltimore. Now, tomorrow could be a pretty nasty day here. There's a moderate risk out there across the high plains, and look at the probabilities, 45%. Chance of severe weather within 25 miles of a point in that moderate risk area. Very significant outbreak possibly tomorrow. And then on day 3, Friday, a slight risk from near Tulsa and Little Rock up to the Great Lakes. But again, nothing down here. In fact, nothing down here is the story on the QPF map. All of the good rains up north, this is suggesting nothing here. And this is valid through Sunday evening, and that could very well be right. This is where we are today at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. Trough developing out west, ridge around here, sunny and hot. Highs between 90 and 95. Tomorrow, the trough comes out, and that's the severe weather day there. That looks pretty nasty. And I know our buddies up in the north will be watching that carefully. And again, around here, ridging is the story. Friday, no big change. That trough stays well to the north. At the surface, we'll peak underneath that. And again, look, this is June. I'm not saying there's no chance of rain every day, but if any form out there, they should be isolated, and that's suggesting any Friday would be over North Georgia and East Tennessee. The big storm is passing up into Canada. Saturday, starting off the weekend, ridge holds firm. Sunny and hot weather. Same thing on Sunday. I think we can almost take out the chance of a storm in the forecast. And again, there's always a chance, but it's so small, barely worth mentioning. Monday of next week, same deal. Ridging. Big vortex out in the northwestern states. And Tuesday of next week, same old deal. We'll peak underneath that. There shows a little moisture in there, maybe a few isolated showers or storms. And pretty much the same deal on Wednesday of next week. But now at mid-month, the GFS breaks down the ridge again. This is the 15th. Nice trough, and if that's right, that would be relatively wet. So we'll keep our fingers crossed that the heat bubble breaks down, and that indeed happens on the 15th. And on the 19th, the end of the cycle, again, the ridge not nearly as strong. The core of the bubble is over there in the Atlantic, and again, that's suggesting kind of warm and soupy conditions with a chance of scattered showers and storms out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.